It's kind of scary. You gotta like, is it really Death Devil, or are you just saying that? Cause like, if it's a Death Devil, we got a problem. Like immediately. He couldn't. Oh shoot! What the ants? Oh man! I know some nonsense bad happened. Did you absorb the ants' lives? Is bro? That's OP. So anything you see, you can absorb the life from them. How about the ops? Can you do it to him? The fact that you're even like talking after your head's cut off is crazy to me. If that is the case, then you gotta like one shot her, like obliterate her, bro.